Oppo K3 runs ColorOS 6.0 based on Android 9.0 Pie. It has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display along with 19:9 aspect ratio and DC dimming feature. Under the hood, there is the Snapdragon 710 SoC paired with 6GB and 8GB RAM options. The phone also comes preloaded with Game Boost 2.0 that brings frame boost and touch boost features to enhance your gaming experience. Furthermore, gamers can leverage the Link Boost 2.0 that is touted to uplift the network performance. As the USP, the Oppo K3 sports a pop-up selfie camera module that has a 16-megapixel sensor. The pop-up camera module is claimed to have a life of 5 years and to lift as fast as 0.74 seconds. At the back, there is a dual camera setup with a 16-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary depth sensor. The Oppo K3 also comes preloaded with a list of camera features, including AI portrait mode and AI scene detection. There is also an ultra-clear night view 2.0 feature to brighten dark shots using a software algorithm. On the storage part, the Oppo K3 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB of inbuilt storage options that are backed by UFS 2.1 technology. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and USB. The phone has an all-new in-display fingerprint sensor that uses a compensating projection technology to delay 28.5% increased unlocking speed and 10% increased unlocking success rate over the traditional in-display fingerprint sensor. Besides, it packs a 3765 mAh battery that supports fast charging through Oppo's VOOC 3.0 technology.